Hi there and welcome back. Thank you for joining me. I hope everybody is doing well. We are all fine and dandy. Thank you very much. So this is your creative studio subscription box. I'm not in current times. Amanda at your creative studio just sends me whatever. So if you want to know what the current boxes are and things like that, you'd be best to go onto her website, which I will put in the description. So this is just to give you an idea of the amount of things that you get in there, and just to show you. So I'm guessing it's flamingos and pink and tropical, which is crazy because we've just gone into fall. So yeah, this will be quite jolly. So beautiful image. So she always includes a little thank you card, and I often back these, and then you've got a little journal card or a little pocket. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. Yeah. So they're nice. Look at those tickets. Like, well, a lot of them look plain that you could decorate them yourself. I do like those, and obviously you could use them as washi strips. So we've got some flamingos there. They're the stamps. I'll just put those on there. I'm just putting the things that aren't made by your creative studio over to this side, and the things that are on this side. Beautiful. Ooh. Can't stop looking. Right. So these always match lovely. So we've got some papers. I think now every box gets papers in them. So you get 24 sheets. They're 21 by 12 centimeters. You get 6 which are sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers, which are, they've got a bit of a rougher, like a textured, and 6 pattern papers. So that's that. I will open it. I just wanted to. Got some beautiful tissue. Love that colour. That's very autumnal. So that's that. Then we've got some actual ephemera, which is great. I don't know how many pieces is in there, but a lot. And we've got stamps. So we've got a toucan, some masking tape, which will match, and a flamingo. And then she always puts these in, and I use these on my Happy Mail and things. So that's that. So you could definitely do a project with those. So let's have a look at the things that she pops in to fill the box up. So this is interesting. And beautiful envelope. Look at that. Ooh, it's not taped now. Oh, they're like strips. Oh, these are nice. They're like washi strips. So these would be great for doing your edge things, the edge clusters. They're a bit more like stamps. Yeah, they're beautiful. I love those stamps. I think I will save this for the next time I do the vintage botanicals, because this would go go very nice, and I will send the pinks to Denise, because I'm not a pink person or a rose person. I don't know why. You know, if somebody bought me pink roses or red roses, I would love them. But yeah, pictures, I'm just not keen on them. It's a weird one, but it's true. I think that the only floral I don't like the pictures of. Yeah, I can't explain it. But I suppose it's just personal preference. Are they sweet peas? I think they're sweet peas. They're beautiful. Look how vibrant they are. Okay. See, I don't mind the pink daisies. But, yeah, roses on... I don't know. Yeah, I love that picture. So, yeah, there's no rhyme or reason to it, is there? So, that's the first item. I'm guessing these are all going to be roses. They're definitely all going to be pink. So, let's have a look at these. So, they're faux stamps. Yep. I like how they on a little sheet. Oh, I think, are they all the same? Oh no, that's different. Yeah, they're really nice. I don't think these are stickers. I think you've actually got to stick these down. They don't feel like stickers, and it doesn't actually say that they're stickers. So yeah, I think you actually glue those down. I don't think there's any adhesive on, you know, for you to... Oh, I don't know. That does actually, I don't know. They could stick down. So that is those. Look how beautiful they are. Right, I'll keep the packet. So we've got the flamingos, just really tiny. I think these would be good if you did, you know, like planning and stuff like that. So I'll keep that in the packet. Plant specimens. I think this will be my kind of thing. So I think these are like the little papers, which I do find very handy. Oh, I like these. Again, these will go very nice with the architecture kit and the vintage. Oh, look at that. Vintage botanicals. Loving the colours. Yeah, beautiful. Lovely. It's making me want to get them kits back out again. So that's those. I would guess is, I don't know, 50 odd. I don't know. It doesn't say. So yeah, love that. What's this? This looks like little labels in a botanical theme. Oh yeah, look at these. I like how they're tiny. Can I get into them? Get rid of that shiny paper. So I think there's two of each. Looks like that's got architecture in the background. I don't know what that is in the background. Oh, I think it's castle. Oh, that's nice. Lady. Yeah. Oh, little girly. Oh, no, it's not. It's a lady. Got the birds. The roses. Which I shall pop that side. Oh, a little bird in the rose. Other lady. Yeah, I like these. Again, they're nice cream, you know, a vintage looking. So that is a rose. Did I see a rose? Yep. Okay. Right. So that's that. And these, like I say, these look great. I've not seen these before. I've seen, you know, these kinds of things, but I like them because they're plain. And again, these are paper. They're not stickers. Oh, hold on. Oh, they are stickers. Yeah, that really felt like paper. So yeah, it's like wallpaper, and I've got them in different sizes. Love those blues. Yeah, fab. It feels like there's quite a few. But yeah, you could leave them plain and use them as like washi. Very pretty. Or decorate them. You could put some little labels on, little numbers on them. And there's two of each one. That's a neutral one. That's pretty. Roses. The hyacinths. I think they are. Yeah, beautiful. So that was those. They sent a lot in 36. They sent a lot more than that. So expect a parcel, Denise. I think she might like that packaging too. So I'm going to send her that. So yeah, they're the extra kind of goodies what you get with it, which you know, are great for sending some to your friend and things like that. You know, happy mail. I don't think Denise would appreciate all these in the same one. So if I send her some, and then I shall keep these. I also keep some of them to make up some freebie, you know, to include in orders. I think there's 5 different ones, so we'll pop those there for Denise, and I put those up there to put in my mail box. And then we've got those strips, which, yeah, love that. Okay, so let's have a look at these papers. Ooh. So I've got the pretty flamingo. I think, is that a gecko? I don't know. Well, that's nice. Nice leaves on this like aged wallpaper. That's very pretty. I bet you can't see it. It's quite light. And then we've got the toucan. So you can make some lovely folios with this size paper. And then with it in the vellum. Very handy if you've not got a printer. Or a computer, you know, to download kits. These are the sticker ones. You can tell that the sticker ones. I think, oh, that was a sticker one. That's a sticker one too. I don't know. Oh no, these are the the normal, the ones what I said are textured. Now they're not textured this time, they're just more thicker, a bit like a thin card, whereas the first lot I showed you was like a paper. Yeah, they're very nice. It's a bit like washable wallpaper, that kind of thing. So that's the papers. Really great size. Let's have a look at the ephemera pieces. I mean, it's nice having some matching things to make things with. So I'm guessing there's 2 or 3 of each one. It looks like 2. Got pineapple. Yep. Lots of little tiny ones. That's cute. I like it there. It's a love art. Leaves. They are geckos, aren't they? I think they are. Another toucan. Yep. Crikey. And these aren't stickers. These are, you know, thin card. You know, what you would normally cut out. So they're all done for you. Yeah, I'm not sure how many is in there, but I'd definitely say 40 or 50. There's plenty, and you know, they match with the papers. Beautiful. So that's the pieces. I'm not going to open the tissue because, you know, once you've opened it, you can't get it back in. So that's got some lovely florals on it. So that's that. Oh, that was with those others. And then let's have a look at the masking tape. So, oh, this is nice and plain. So it's the same kind of colour as the tissue, and this has got like the tropical leaves going through it. It's a very sticky washi tape. It's a good washi tape. So that is that, and then the stamps, which do have a lot of detail on, and stamp. Lovely. Oh, there's 2 in there. So we've got the big flamingo and the leaf. So you can see all the, so they always stamp. Very, very nice. So that's those 2. That was cheeky, wasn't it, having 2 in there. So I'll definitely be saving this for summer. It's not, you know, my cup of tea, but, you know, I can send it to somebody, include it in a giveaway and stuff. But it's beautiful. You know, you've got a whole thing that matches, that you can do a lovely project with. So I'm going to say that's why I'm trying not to rip them, but I like to have a look. And even if you don't like the theme, you know, there's plenty of other bits. Oh, another 2 in here. Pineapple and the toucan. And I suppose if you make journals for lots of people, or notebooks or cards, I mean, these would probably be good for, you know, to cut them down and have these as your bases for cards. And you seem to make those for lots of different people, whereas, you know, I tend to just make things that I like. So that is whatever month that is. That's it. So yeah, absolutely loads of things. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and obviously there's more things inside them. 8, 9, 10. Then we've got the stamps. 11. And we've got, what did I do with that? Oh, there. 11, 12. So yeah, very, very good box. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to put these in an envelope to get them out of the way, and I'm going to put these in my giveaway box, and yeah, you'll probably see them pop up again in the summer. Need to try and get them back in the packaging. So thank you very much for watching. Like I say, if you want to see more of the boxes, I'm sure there's photos and things on the site, and I think occasionally, you know, she'll sell past boxes, and just sometimes add random stamps on there, and things like that. So I shall leave the link in the description, and I will see you in the next video. So it's goodbye from me. Bye for now.